Good morning, Mr. Alan Gelati.
Good morning to you.
Thank you for being here in Slovenia.
Thank you for having me for these exhibitions.
This amazing castle. So, what I present for you this, I think, amazing picture.
Well, this picture for me is more a family shot pictures. It's a club, it's plastic club in Milan, where a lot of different people from different backgrounds they gather together to enjoy themselves, to relax, and it's a kind of lab where the next generation of artists, designers, and creative people basically they just come together and they enjoy the night. And this is actually a picture taken out of a moment, so it was not staged, and I just stopped that we'll come together, take kind of shots, and something that would represent what was there in that moment, in that particular moment of our life. And actually, Italian Vogue, they really like the shot, and they actually run it, and then and this is very good things for me, because Lucio, which is the patron, the owner of the club, is recently left us, and actually had a good particular meaning for me to have this picture in the exhibition.
So we have the second picture. Our question is why did you decide to put this picture on your exhibition?
Well, this is the hero picture of the exhibitions. This is Rutger Hauer. This one shot was taken for Fish Love, which is a kind of charity organization to raise the awareness in overfishing in the sea. And that is his last ever session of the artist. And after this, unfortunately, he died. And in fact, that fish that we decided together with Rutger to choose symbolized in a way the disease that he had, and that nobody knew at that time. So he picked up that eel because it symbolized something that he was telling me he's got inside and he wanted to take it outside, that he wished he could come outside. And when he said that kind of thing, I thought this was something probably to him was happening. And that is this is the reason why I decided to use it as kind of hero of the exhibitions, because for me it's got a particular meaning. And also the shot was done it was run by Italian Vogue, and I'm very proud of this image. This is a part of like a series of photography commissioned by Amica magazine, and the editor of Amica at the time wanted to talking about very commercial thematic that could be in beauty, that it could be moisturizing cream, like could be firming cream, that could be makeup, but she didn't want a typical commercial picture of girls washing the face and applying creams, and he wanted something exactly more iconic, something more arty, and that's what we. In this particular case, the feature had to talk about firming cream for the body, and I just thought that, that this particular way of taking the picture and seeing, because it's more kind of seeing than taking the pictures, it would represent what a firm body, a strong body, could be, and that's really it. That's why we, together with the models, we come up with this kind of concept of photography and image.
So we are in front of the last picture you did. So if you want to tell me something about the...
That's actually very funny. I mean, I don't know if I should say that, but I'm gonna say that regardless. We were in Paris with the fashion director of Bazaar, in that edition of Bazaar Australia, and let's say we were at the third, maybe fourth glass of champagne, so we were a bit, happy in that term. And she wanted to do a swimming wear story, but of course, they're Australians, so there's no point for us to do a swimming wear story by the beach. So I was just talking about a lot of different things. Oh, let's do that, and then probably because of our alcoholic levels, I say, oh, what about doing swimming wear in Red Square? And I say, yeah, let's do a swimming wear in Red Square. But I thought it was just like talking, whatever, it was, alcohol talking, let's say that. After a week, they called my agent, so regarding that swimming shots that we want to do, we're deciding to go to Russia. I said, are we serious? Like, we're just talking. So we actually, just to cut the thing short, we flew to Russia, to Moscow. At that time, it was still not as, let's say, as open as it is now. And we secretly start shooting around the city with these girls, you know, taking out all these clothes at the last minute, and we're taking pictures. So, and that's actually turned out to be quite funny. It's a little bit dangerous, like in terms of like, because we couldn't stay more than probably 5 minutes in the same spot, not to be arrested. And that's how actually we did. It's a swimming wear. It's in Russia and very Sovietic, and that's like. And I think this is really, really strong. This really represent really strong women. But funny enough, I know towards different sources that when they saw the pictures, Russians really love it. Probably because it represent the idea of themselves, you know, of their women, of their politics and this kind of thing. So it just came out, and that's a shot basically.